To remove or replace the PC's optical drive, first remove the right rear access panel. Next, loosen the captured screw securing the optical drive to the PC. Push inward on the tab for the optical drive assembly and angle the assembly up and partially out of the unit. Detach the combination power and data cable from the rear of the optical drive to fully remove the optical drive from the PC. To remove the optical drive from the optical drive cage, detach the 4 small screws, 2 on each side, securing the drive to the cage. Slide the optical drive out of the cage. To install an optical drive into the cage, slide the optical drive into the cage with the rear of the drive against the back plate of the cage. Replace the 4 small screws. The optical drive assembly has 2 slots on the bottom that slide onto 2 tabs inside the PC. There is also a tab on the side of the assembly that slides under a small lip on the base pan. To reinstall the optical drive assembly, first reinstall the power and data connector to the rear of the drive. Angle the optical drive into the unit, then slide towards the side of the PC to secure the slots and tab into their tabs and lip. Tighten the screw.